Yes, good afternoon. You see, none of you were present yesterday, okay?
The network is totally available here.
Yeah. Okay. Anyways, we'll talk about mineral resources. Okay? Mineral resources. So, on the basis of the chemical and physical characteristics, okay, minerals, they are grouped under two main categories. Okay, one is called the metallic mineral, and another one is called the non-metallic minerals. Okay, so it consists of two groups. This is the, metallic minerals. Okay, the example is oxide, and then there is your non-metallic minerals. Okay? For example, we have limestone. We have limestone. So this bauxite, okay, bauxite, it is an ore from where aluminium is obtained. Okay, and limestone is that the chuna. Okay, people use in pond. So that is limestone, and then like this metallic minerals, they are the source of all the metals that we obtain there. So, and non-metallic minerals are the source of all the that's what they call it, non-metals. Okay, like we have mica, we have graphite. Okay, so for example, this limestone. Okay, so these are all non-metallic. Okay, and this non-metallic minerals. Okay, they are mostly of either organic or in this one inorganic in origin. Okay, whereas metallic minerals, they are composed of metals. Okay, or they are source of metals. Regarding this, like at present, okay, one of the metals that is in very high demand is lithium. Okay, lithium. Why it is in so much high demand? Because it is an important component of the batteries that are used in electronic devices. Okay, so the amount of electronic devices that we are using now, it's on a huge scale. So that is why the demand for lithium, okay, has also increased a lot, because lithium was a component of all the batteries that we use. Okay, similarly for electric cars and all, so for that also lithium is also used. Now there is an this estimate there's an estimate that by 2080, okay, by 2080, the all the lithium deposits, okay, that we have, all the lithium deposits that we have on land, okay, it is all going to get exhausted by 2080. So just last week, okay, just last week, there was a research work that was done, and it was completed, okay, successfully. So in that research work, what they have done is that they have found a new source for lithium. Okay, lithium, we get it from the ores, okay, that we have in on land, okay. But this, according to this new research, okay, they have obtained lithium from seawater, okay. um, it is also said, okay, and according to a research, okay, that the amount of lithium in sea, okay, the amount of lithium in seawater is 5,000 times more than the amount of lithium that is present on land, okay. So that is why it is being considered as a big source, or it will be a huge source of lithium in the coming days, okay. um, so what they have done, this according to this research, what they have done is that they have um, used certain electrodes, okay, um, and there is a membrane of some compound, okay, I cannot remember the name of that compound. So when these electrodes, they are connected, um, the components of that seawater, okay, that pass through this membrane, but only the holes in this membrane are only small enough to let only lithium ions pass through that, okay. So in this way they collect this lithium from um, this seawater, okay. And also regarding seawater, just last week there was a research, okay. There was a research of about 300 scientists, and they created something called the artificial sun, okay. So they created the highest temperature ever possible, okay, the highest temperature ever possible. So they created this plasma, okay, and it had this temperature of 120 million degrees centigrade, okay. 120 million degree centigrade. So this temperature is 7 times higher than the internal temperature of the sun, okay. Now how did they create this, okay? This new research that they have done, this thing that they have created is actually nuclear fusion, okay, no, nuclear fission. All this nuclear plants and all we are having now, they are utilizing nuclear fission, okay, splitting splitting of and splitting of a heavy atom to lighter atom, or let's say not atom, splitting of a heavy nuclei to other light nuclei, okay. That is hydrogen fission. Now here they are utilizing hydrogen fusion, okay, fusion, where two light nuclei form to this they join to form a heavy nucleus, okay. So they have created this uh, nuclear fission, and they have used this deuterium, okay. Deuterium, hydrogen has three isotopes, okay. Protium, deuterium, tritium. So they have used deuterium, okay, deuterium uh, to do this nuclear fusion, okay. And they say that, and like they say that this has a lot of applications later in future, because it is clean energy. And the deuterium that they have used, okay, this deuterium comes from seawater. Actually deuterium is present, or even in my body, in your body, everyone's body, there is deuterium, because water, it is some of the water is H2O, and some of the water, normal water, is D2O, okay, deuterium oxide. So deuterium is present everywhere, and they have used deuterium from seawater, okay. And the amount of energy, okay, so like how, just will if we just compare that energy, um, the amount of energy that we can get by using deuterium from 1 liter of seawater is equal to the amount of energy, okay, that we can obtain from 300 liters of gasoline, okay. So you can compare the difference. 1 liter of the deuterium obtained from 1 liter of seawater, and when we use it for hydrogen fusion, the amount of energy generated is equal to the amount of energy generated by 300 liters of gasoline. So so these two research that I've just said now, they just happened last week, okay, last week, and many more, okay. So we'll come back here. Why I said was that because it's related to minerals, okay, that lithium part, okay. Um, Now in India, where are these minerals generally concentrated? Okay, so minerals in India, it is generally concentrated in three particular belts. Okay, three particular minerals. Uh, broad belts in India. So the first belt is the northeastern, northeastern Plateau region. Three belts, as I said. Okay, three belts. Now this northeastern Plateau region, it covers states of Jharkhand, Odisha, and West Bengal, and then some parts of Chhattisgarh. Okay, so it covers the state of Jharkhand, JHK, Jharkhand, then Odisha, West Bengal, and parts of Chhattisgarh. Now, this particular belt, northeastern Plateau region, what is this belt? What minerals or what metals they are famous for? So they are mainly famous for iron and steel industry. Okay, because of the heavy amount of iron ores that are present in this particular uh, belt. Okay, so major iron and steel industry, is located in this region. This was one belt. Now the other belt is called the southwestern Plateau region. The southwestern southwestern Plateau region. Now state does it cover? It covers the state of mainly southern part of India, that is Karnataka. Then we have Goa, Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. So Karnataka, Goa. Then we have Tamil Nadu, and Kerala. Kerala. Now this part of, or this southwestern Plateau region, it is mainly famous for ferrous metals, and also for bauxite. Okay, bauxite, which is an ore from which aluminium is obtained. Okay, so it is rich in ferrous oxide and bauxite. Then what else? It also has this high grades of iron ore. Then we have manganese. Then and also it has high deposits of high grade limestone. Okay, so deposits of high grade um, iron ore, manganese, and limestone. And limestone. Then we have this in India. Okay, for heavy metals. Okay, only usually two heavy metals are found. That is deposits. I mean, we have uranium and thorium. Okay, so thorium, as you are aware of, it is also another heavy metal. And thorium, it is found in Kerala. Okay, Kerala has some deposits of thorium, and it is obtained from it. Okay. So we will mention it here. Kerala has deposits of thorium. But This particular belt, okay, they lack this coal deposits, okay. We will not mention this, but there are no coal deposits in southwestern Plateau region, okay. Then the last one we have is the northwestern region, okay. Northwestern region. So this northwestern region, it covers, or it covers Rajasthan and some part of uh, Gujarat. Covers Rajasthan, and some parts of um, main metal deposits, mineral deposits that are there is the um, deposits of copper and zinc. Copper and zinc are major deposits. Then from the architecture of the various um, places of Rajasthan, you must be aware, okay, तुम पता होगा कि they have a lot of these beautiful buildings, okay, and ancient buildings, and also they have a rich deposit of building stones, okay, building stones like we have limestone, granite, then marbles and all. So they have a huge deposit of all this building materials, okay. So and this is also reflected in their architecture, okay, ancient architecture particularly, okay. So Rajasthan is rich in building materials. So let's say building stones, okay. For building stones, we were talking about limestone. Then we have like marbles. Now, apart from this, they also have one more important. I will not. Yes, we will call it minerals. Salt. Okay, the normal salt that we have. They have a huge deposit of salt that um, run of Kutch. I don't know if you have heard of it. Run of Kutch and all. So over there are a lot of salt lakes. Okay, and then from there, uh, huge amount of salt is obtained. And also in the coastal area, since this some parts of Gujarat and all, there is some of the area they lie in the coastal region, so that is why they have this deposits of so rich sources of salt also present. Okay, now this one thing about this, that these salt lakes, okay, they are very popular in the racing world, okay, racing world. Uh, most of Almost all of the lane speed records, okay, lane speed records, highest speed at which lane vehicle has ever been driven. So all these world records, they have been broken in salt lakes, okay, because they are plain and they give this grip. So driving over there is very considered very like suitable for all this kind of records, okay. So most of the speed records you see, it has been done, or that race has been taken in salt lakes, okay. So over the salt lakes in this part of India, they are also famous for, or they are well known in the racing world, okay, among racing enthusiasts. Okay. It also, then this region also provides raw materials, okay, raw materials for the cement industry, okay. In cement industry, they use this limestone and um, something called dolomite, okay. So limestone and dolomite, they're important in the cement industry. Dolomite is actually composed of many minerals of carbonate, okay, carbonates, okay, of, or let's say many carbonate compounds, okay, dolomite. So this particular region is having high deposits of this limestone and dolomite. Okay, so raw materials for cement industry, limestone and dolomite. Okay. So this is about the three belts. Okay, three belts of main three major belts. Apart from this belt, there is one more belt. Okay, it is although not considered very major, it is minor. Okay, it's called the Himalayan belt. Okay, it's called the Himalayan belt, and under this, under this, the Assam Valley. Okay, Assam Valley comes under this Himalayan belt. Okay, but it is not very prominent because in comparison to the remaining three belts, okay, the amount of deposits is not very significant. That is why they are not considered to be very prominent. Now this in this Himalayan belt, okay, the main metals or minerals that are whose deposits are found is, apart from oil and coal deposits, okay, copper, we have copper, zinc and tungsten. Okay, so all these minerals we find. Okay, and you must be aware this metal tungsten, it was used before CFL bulbs came in the normal uh, that normal bulbs that we have. So they over there, this tungsten was used. Okay, so yes, this is about the three belts, okay, that we have for minerals in India. Okay, so कुछ पूछना है? Yes.
नहीं है सर.
Okay. कल तो नहीं आया था कोई, तो वही हो सके तो आना, थोड़ा इंटरेक्शन होता है तो अच्छा. यस.
हाँ सर. सर मतलब ये सेशन सर जल्दी लेने से सर थोड़ा अच्छा होता है सर.
हाँ,
जैसे
कौन सा?
आज जैसे सर, मतलब आज जैसे सर थोड़ा मतलब 12:40 ऐसा
और
मतलब
नहीं
टाइम
कल
थोड़ा जल्दी होने से.
कल वो था ना, ये
कल
मैक्सिमम
3
लोग का
बजे
कल,
शायद.
हाँ मैक्सिमम लोग का कल तो जुम्मा था ना, इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा लेट किया कल,
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा.
फ्राइडे को.
नहीं सर, कल मैंने सोचा
हाँ
कल मैंने सर ऐसा चला गया था, मार्केट चला गया था सर, तो शाम को ऐसा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है सर, कभी कभार
अच्छा
मतलब
अच्छा.
टाइम नहीं मिला.
हाँ ठीक है. मैं कल वो फ्राइडे था ना, इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा लेट किया.
हाँ
मुझे लगा कोई कोई गया होगा कहीं पे, तो थोड़ा
हाँ.
रुकने से अच्छा होगा बोल.
ठीक है सर.
हम्म.
सर, जितना हो सके सर जल्दी तो होने से सर अच्छा होता है.
अच्छा, तो सब लोग क्या जल्दी उठते क्या? कोई कोई अगर
जल्दी मॉर्निंग, इतना मॉर्निंग नहीं है सर, ऐसा 12:30 से.
हाँ, अब क्योंकि लोग जितना भी बोले, मुझे मालूम है कि किसका हैबिट कैसा हो सकता है, मुझे मालूम है. सो मैं इफ पॉसिबल कि सब आए तो अच्छा होगा, वही वही मैं चाहता हूँ, लेकिन
हाँ
आते तो नहीं है सब, फिर भी देखते हैं. हाँ ठीक है, तो फिर
हाँ.
ओके.
ठीक है सर.
हम्म.
थैंक यू
ओके.
सर.
हाँ. ओके. हाँ.